afternoon. So lots of you have expressed concerns with the comfort level of the stock seat on the 2008 Goldwing. So I've had the same issue. After about two and a half hours on that stock seat, my butt was sore. So I've heard people do the wing soft. I've been doing research on ultimate seats and different seat manufacturers, and I just elected to go with Russell Daylong. Reading the forums, reading the different articles around seats, Russell Daylong seemed to be where the best comfort was for long distance riding. So I sent my seat off to Russell about 1 month ago. Due to the holidays, finally got it back, and we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to get the seat installed, and hopefully the sun's out and it's a little warm today. We're going to get it out for a ride and see what the Russell Daylong's all about. So inside the box we've got, looks like the invoice, nice little hand note. My seat, which was just the standard non-leather, it's just the vinyl. I did retain stock heat. I'm obviously a little overweight, so did the heavy-duty suspension and shipping and all that, and it came to a total of $987. The actual seat itself was $750. Retaining the heat was $65. Then it cost me $82 to have them ship it back to me. Move it over to the workbench. Wow. Definitely looks padded, more padded. So inside the box, there's just some instructions. It does say that the break-in for your Daylong saddle required a short break-in time of about 500 to 1,000 miles. During this period, you may experience some noticeable pressure points, particularly at the perimeter of the saddle and the rim and the back of your upper thigh, probably in this area here. So these pressure points will disappear as the spring resistance straps and foams takes a slight set. So very cool. Remember that your saddle supports you in places where you had no contact with your stock seat. This may be mistaken for excessive pressure, and it's designed, it looks great. Actually, I'm impressed. This vinyl looks nicer than the vinyl that comes on the stock seat. One thing I did have them remove, I don't plan on putting a backrest on it, so I did have them remove the backrest hole. It was just creating uncomfort for Alicia when she rides on the back. So we did do the both the front and the back. Again, both sides have the extra support, but this looks like it's going to be extremely comfortable. So we'll get it mounted on the bike, and we'll let you know how it fits. Okay, we'll try not to drop the camera when we mount this thing. Looks like the bubble wrap. Just some items on there. So it just installs back with the normal seat bolts that came with it. Lines up perfectly. Just tightening down this side. Come around and tighten the other side. Again, very straightforward. No issues at all. I mean, lines up perfectly. They really did a nice job. Really did a nice job. So install the covers. First. Perfect. Looks perfect. Now for a trip around the block, and we'll see how she feels. I'll report when I get back. The seat was absolutely phenomenal. It fits you like a catcher's glove. It does take a little bit to get used to because you have to kind of push yourself forward to touch the ground, but not going to be difficult to get used to at all. Awesome seat. Glad I made the change. Now I just need some warmer weather so I can go out riding. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and click the subscribe icon. We'd love to have you to the channel.